Neighbors, they likely saved a black man's life by responding in this way.
What's going on? I'm so confused. Like, what are they even talking about? I don't have no weapon, sir.
He's holding a phone.
I have no weapon. This is a speaker. I don't have anything on me. Walk towards us. I don't have anything on me. I have nothing. What?
He's not holding a gun. I'm afraid of
The person? What are you talking about?
We're much more scared of the police in this situation than this guy. Can you guys calm down?
I don't have anything on me.
Calm the down. He has nothing on him.
I have nothing on me.
He has nothing on him.
What are they talking about, Mom? I can't even see anything, man.
I know, I can't see anything either.
You want me to walk up with you, man?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk up with you, okay?
Bro, I'm just getting on the ground. I'm not even walking anywhere, bro. They're aiming guns at me.
No one has a gun except for you!
They don't care if you have a gun. Oh my God, this is crazy. The community doesn't care because my brother didn't do anything. And they literally just had guns literally aimed at my brother. These cops had guns aimed at my brother. In Seattle, was up to me a flight I'm leaving tomorrow. Y'all just tried to assassinate my brother, bitch. Talking about shots? Oh, y'all don't care.
Walter. Back out.
Let me tell you why these cops left. They left because they clearly saw the man they were about to assault or have adverse engagement with, whatever they wanted to do. They left without that engagement because they clearly saw a community had his back. This is what happens when we are a coalition. This is what happens when we operate in a spirit of unity. This is what happens when we are more concerned about drawing circles rather than drawing lines.